Now, your SkyWarn 13 weather forecast.
Well, since a few showers and storms rolled through earlier today, things have dried out, at least for now. Not as far as how it feels, very muggy outside, but we've gotten rid of the showers and thunderstorms. We've actually seen a little bit of sunshine now starting to try to make its way out, but it's coming a little bit too late as far as building up instability. That's not a bad thing because we don't want to have to be dealing with severe weather. That risk is non-zero, but it is lower than it had been earlier today. So what does that mean for fireworks tonight? Now, and it's not just Eau Claire. Of course, La Crosse has a big fireworks display scheduled for tonight, part of their River Fest celebrations, and don't know how they operate with regards to the protocol. I know in Eau Claire I've been told that if it's just raining, they will continue, but if there are thunderstorms and lightning and that kind of thing, then they are likely to be canceled. So we're still kind of a wait and see mode here, but this is the forecast. Temperatures in the 70s. Scattered thunderstorms are likely, so we're just going to have to pay attention to radar and see how things redevelop as we go into the coming hours. Right now, things have quieted down across much of the state. The northern half of Wisconsin still fairly cloudy, a few isolated showers, but again, much drier than earlier from the late morning and early afternoon. Now, as far as rainfall amounts from today, they're very hit and miss. You see that band up to the north, pretty solid from parts of Polk County into Rusk County. Definitely some localized higher amounts there, but airport amounts not too significant during today. Now, I want to show you some of my Weather Watcher reports. These are from last evening and overnight. I'll have an update later on our later shows with current amounts from today. But I wanted to show you that there were some decent amounts. Got a report from Holcomb from those storms last night, 3.5 inches. That is a lot of rain. Hatfield, Sioux said 1.25 inches there. Granton, 0.9 of an inch of rain last night. Elk Mound and WEAU both exactly at 0.5 inches. So thank you to Pete for that. And Nelson, just about a ½ inch of rain. A live look at our Nicolet Bank Skycam on Hastings Way, showing a little bit of sunshine trying to poke out. Light east winds. It is sticky out here. I can attest to that. Dew point at 66 degrees makes it feel warmer than 78. It is hot to the east and south. These are places that were not tapped with the showers and storms earlier. So these are kind of the temperatures we expected locally this afternoon. But again, we stayed short of that because of the rain and likely to stay that way into this evening. Dew points statewide are in the 60s. It is muggy outside, and that is fuel for storms. So we'll see what develops, but I'd say chances are greater farther to the south. Starting to see those flare up in northeastern Nebraska into northwestern Iowa. Some of those will track to the northeast, and more will form closer to home near that front. Here's our forecast model. It's not likely to happen exactly as you're seeing here, but it shows us the general trend and idea that conditions will still favor some new storm development this evening. Notice those do come through between about 8 and midnight. So yes, the forecast for the fireworks is still kind of up in the air. Otherwise, tomorrow a morning shower, and then we get into some sunshine by later afternoon. It's going to be a cooler day, staying in the 70s, and beyond that, well, we are looking at sunshine as we head on into Thursday. So for tonight, we're down to 65 degrees. Those showers and storms roll through, and then mostly dry tomorrow. A chance of a shower in the morning, Kim. Otherwise, turning more comfortable. The humidity will come down. It's going to feel great Thursday and Friday. And most of the weekend right now is looking dry. I think our chances for showers and storms returns by early next week.
Well, it's not ideal that we have that nice weather later in the week because today's a holiday, but I know I sure one will be sure to make sure to enjoy it then. Yeah,
it's something to look forward to. In the meantime, we're going to keep an eye on radar for that fireworks forecast tonight.
Great. Thanks so much, Darren.
Yep.